You asked, how to divide 6053 by 5 using the long division method. 6 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 1210 remainder 3.